Today we're going to take a look at a really nice free lookup table named Rich Tones, and for this demo we're using Photoshop, but you can use this in any video editing software such as DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, CapCut, and more. We're going to test out our free one, then we're going to jump into some more professional lookup tables and test them out. Alright, let's start off with the free one, Rich Tones. Here we have it already loaded in. Here's before and here's after. Before, after, really nice color in this, and I'll put a link down below so you can download the free lookup table. Alright, now we can test out some professional lookup tables, and I've loaded some in from the film emulation collection. Let's try a different one here. Let's go to Portrait 160 film, and look at that. Really nice. Before and after. Like the faded look too. Looks fantastic. And again, I'll put a link down below for the free lookup table, Rich Tones. I'll also put a link down below for the professional lookup tables. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.